Nice to meet you. I'm Haru from HarusKitchen. I used to run a Japanese restaurant in Japan. It did very well, and at one point I was managing 4 shops. Isn't that cool? Well, some stuff happened, and I don't do that anymore. It hasn't closed down. The business is still doing quite well. Anyways, shall I say something totally unexpected did happen. You never know what life brings to you. I made my wife suffer too. The shop we had created together with sleepless hard work for 12 years is gone, and it's run by someone else. Isn't that strange? It left me with nothing, but at least it left me with a tiny pride in my culinary knowledge, and of course, my precious family. Strangely, humans sometimes lose their appetite in hard situations, but it's only momentary, and soon the hunger does come back. Then, if you have a nice food, this warm, happy feeling can fill you up. Food has this sort of weird power. So even you are facing something tough, as long as you repeat to eat and sleep, eventually the happiness will come to you, okay? I can't be so stylish and cool like Jin's Kitchen, but it would be nice if I could deliver the joy of Japanese cuisine to as many people as possible. I'm sorry, I talked too much. Today, I like to cook the classic of Japanese cooking, tempura. My wife is itching to tuck in. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients. Eggplant, Japanese ginger, shishito pepper, paprika, butternut squash, shiitake mushroom, natural prawn from East Sea, Next, let's take some stock from bonito flakes to make sauce. Soy sauce, mirin, for oil, the proportion should be 8 cooking oil and 2 sesame oil. The flour is super violet. It helps the crispy finish. Next is prawns and scallops. When the frying prawns, sort of fork them with chopsticks. Let's eat. Natural prawns are sweet and nice. The scallops is rare in the middle, and that is great. And the great accompaniment of tempura must be Kirin Ichiban. It's a famous beer in Japan. Okay, I'll take my time and enjoy it. To put it simply, tempura is a quite simple dish to deep and fry an ingredient. However, it's not as simple as that. Actually, the appropriate temperature depends on the ingredient. At home, it's not known well, but for professional chefs, it's a constant battle with the heat. Also, the portion might not be for 1, but 5 or 6 at once. They start to fry after they get an order, so the timing when each ingredient gets cooked through are different. So they refine the sense to pick up the perfect finish using their vision and hearing. They see the air bubbles living out of the vegetables and its color. They hear the changing of the sound of the liquid splashing, and the laugh timing. To cook tempura as a professional, basically you need all these 3 senses. And the ingredients are very important too. Generally, tempura can bring out the flavor of each ingredient by deep frying. That's why even with the ingredients you pick up in an ordinary supermarket, you can make them delicious. Only then it's important to choose the right combination of the flour and oil. To be specific, the flour I recommend is super violet. The baking one is fine. Using this makes the finish crispy but soft. It's refined and easy to eat and light. The oil combination should be 8 cooking oil and 2 sesame oil. It brings out a hint of sesame aroma when you bite into it. It's mainly cooking oil, so easy in the stomach and ends up on light tempura. Even if you eat too much, it's not sickly, and it ends up as a refined tempura. Even if you had a fantastic ingredient, messing up the combination of the flour and oil won't deliver the high-quality tempura. On the other hand, with the proper batter and the oil, you can cook a delicious tempura, even with the ingredients which are not that good. Don't forget that. Okay, so I think that's about it for today. I'm not sure if my first video making went well, but hopefully it will get better. It's almost time to pick up the kids. Look forward to seeing you the next time. See you later.